All right, let's skip the fluff. Now, if you've ever sat down and stared at your computer and you were wondering, what should I post today? Well, this video is for you. Welcome to day 4 of the Content Creator Challenge. Today, I am giving you 3 content ideas that you can literally use today. No endless brainstorming, no scrolling for inspiration, and definitely no AI generated word vomit. These are the exact prompts that top creators use to stay consistent and avoid a spiral of content burnout. Let's get into it. You know that moment that you finally have time to create? Maybe you're even a little motivated, but you sit down and your brain is like completely blank. Then you start thinking, I should have planned this. I feel behind. I need a better system. Before you know it, you clean the kitchen and answer 3 emails. Scroll Instagram again and still no post. Let's fix that. Because you don't need 30 new ideas. You just need one clear, repeatable strategy that helps you post with confidence. So today I'm handing you 3 content ideas that I'll be using myself. Plus, I'll show you how to turn them into content fast using the tool I created to make this entire process easier. Okay, idea number 1, the truth behind your first time. No, not that first time. I'm talking about the first time you did something in your niche and actually what happened. Maybe it was the first time you pitched to a brand, posted a video, created a product, or made a sale. Tell that story. Be honest, be real. People connect with transparency, and that builds trust faster than perfection ever will. Okay, so here's a quick example. As a UGC creator, there was something that I wanted, so I decided to pitch to the brand. Whenever I do pitch to brands, I want to make sure I'm not wasting my time. So I pitched with a completely unstructured email. No strategy, no plan, just vibes. And they actually said yes. That experience taught me so much. Now I use a clear system to help you do the same. All right, here's the next one. Idea number 2. Things I wish I knew before. This works in every niche. All you have to do is say something like 3 things I wish I knew before and fill in the blank. 3 things I wish I knew before becoming a UGC creator. Or 3 things I wish I knew before launching my Etsy shop. Or 5 things I wish I knew before selling a digital product. Whatever fits your world. Quick list, a little context, maybe a lesson learned. Why does this work? Because it feels like a shortcut. For me, there's nothing like figuring out that there's a shorter line in the grocery store, especially whenever I go to Costco and I find that shorter line and everybody's standing in that super long line, but I find that shortcut. There's nothing like it. So that's exactly what this is. You're saving someone from the mistakes that you made. That builds instant credibility. And if you're thinking, but I'm still figuring it out, perfect. Just share what you've learned so far. We don't understand. I don't think we give ourselves enough credit. Our skills and our knowledge, even if you're just a few steps ahead of your audience, what you know will save them so much time and heartache. Think if you knew what you knew before you knew it. Now, idea number 3. If I had to start over today. This is a powerful one because we've all learned things the hard way. So start with this. If I had to start all over today, I would then break it down into 2 to 3 clear, simple steps. No fluff, just clarity. Example, if I had to start over today as a content creator, I'd pick one platform, pick one tool, and generate all of my ideas. And I'd stop trying to post everywhere at once. This type of post shows reflection and growth, and it helps your audience skip the learning curve. Now, here's how you can make this so much easier, because having an idea is one thing, but turning it into a script, a caption, a reel, a YouTube video, a YouTube short, a post, a TikTok, an Instagram, that's where most people get stuck. That's why I use a tool called the AI Content Creation Toolkit. It takes one idea and it gives me content hooks, angles, scripts, captions, and even repurposing strategies that sound like me. It's what I use when I want to be consistent, but I don't have hours to plan or write. I'll drop the link below so you can try it out free and get 60 free credits. So let's recap. Here are your 3 content ideas that you can use today. The truth behind your first time, 3 things you wish you knew before, if I had to start all over today? Now, those 3 things that you wish you knew before, they could be 7 things that you wish you knew before, 5 things you wish you knew before. Pick the number. It's totally up to you. However, I will say that scientifically, if you use an odd number, it tends to do better. I don't know why. If anybody knows the math behind that or the science behind that, let me know in the comments. So which one are you going to post next? Or drop an idea below and I may just turn it into a full 12-piece content plan in my next video. If this has helped you, hit like, subscribe, and send this to your creative friend who always says, I don't know what to post. You do now. Let's go. If you have been following along with this 5-day content creation challenge, let me know how's it going. If you had a couple of tough days, believe me, I understand because I've had some challenges, but I'm loving the process and I'm sure you will love it as well. It's pushing me, it's keeping me organized, and it's giving me the momentum that I needed to create consistently. I'm so glad you're on this journey. I believe in you. You got this. One more day, hang in there. So if you have not joined the 5-day content creator challenge, what are you doing? It's not too late. Let's get to it. You have got so many things in your drafts and you have been wanting to do this. So what are we waiting for? Sign up and join the free content creator challenge and get your free credits. Start using the tool and let's grow. If you like this video about content creation, wait until you see this video. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's grow.